Morning KG2, how are you today? Today our lesson will be about the sound Q. What is the sound Q? It's the letter Q and U together makes the sound Q. 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 Okay. Here we have Q and U. We said they sound what Q. Okay, let's try to read. Q. Ak. Q. Ak. Quack. Quack. Quack is the sound of the duck. Very good. Okay. Queen. Who can tell me the word will be what? Queen. Queen. Very good. Qu. Il. Qu. Il. Quill. Quill. Okay. This is the picture of quill. It's a feather. Like a feather. Okay. Qu and ilt. Ilt. Okay. What's quilt, guys? It's this thing we use to cover in winter. When we are cold, we use quilt to be warm. Okay. Here. Qu. It. Qu. It. Quite. Quite. Means don't make any sound. Okay. This is quite. Okay, here we have the box of the Q. We're gonna put only the words that have the sound Q here inside the box. Let's start here. What is this, guys? It's chocolate. Do you hear any Q sound? No. Okay, this is what? Squirrel, squirrel. Yeah, squirrel goes here in the Q box. Okay, this is what? Dog. Dog had the sound Q? No. This is what? Quill. Quill has Q. Very good. And this, it's duck, or this duck is enjoying the rain. It's wet. Duck or the word wet. Does they have the sound Q? No. Here we have what? Teeth. Does the word teeth have the sound Q? Okay, no, it doesn't. Here, what is this picture? It's quite. Quite. Yeah, very good. Let's put it here. Okay, what is this? It's fan. Does fan have the sound Q? No, it doesn't. So, we'll not put it inside the Q house. Okay, here, what is this? It's quilt. Quilt. Quilt have the sound Q? Yeah, very good. The last picture is queen. Queen had the sound Q. Yes, it does. So the words of the Q sound here that has Q sound is squirrel, quill, queen, quilt, and quite. Okay, guys, this is the end of the Q sound. It's very easy. I hope you all study well and see you soon. Bye.